y'all, welcome back. We've got that wonderful chicken Florentine in the oven baking. And we can't have a dish like that without having some bread. So I'm gonna be making us a Vidalia onion cornbread. Now I've got a half a stick of butter here in my saucepan, and I have diced up like one whole Vidalia onion. Vidalia, Georgia, grows the finest sweet onion you've ever put in your mouth. In fact, you can eat those onions like an apple. They're so good. All right, so our onions are nice and soft. Now, this is gonna be a real quick, easy potluck bread because I'm gonna be using a cornbread mix. Now, you can pick that up at the grocery store. It's about 8 ounces. So I'm gonna dump our cornbread mix in. I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of whole milk. And you can see I didn't let that cool any. So I'm gonna add ingredients that will cool this off because I've got to add my eggs, and I don't want my eggs to become scrambled. So by adding the milk and the sour cream first, that's gonna cool down our onions. And that looks pretty good. Look at that, y'all. All right. All I'm gonna do is add a little grated cheese, and I've got like a cup of sharp cheddar. Now, you can use any kind of cheese that you like. You could use a nice pepper jack cheese, you know, that's got a little bite to it. All right, so in that goes. Great. I'm gonna add 1/4 of a teaspoon of dill weed. And that's gonna be just dilly. And then I'm gonna add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. All right, so last I'm gonna add our egg. And our ingredients should be cooled down enough because of our milk and sour cream. So I'm just gonna stir our egg in. Okay, so that looks nice and creamy. I've got us a corn muffin pan that I've sprayed. It's ready to go for us. And I'm gonna use an ice cream scoop because it just makes it nice and clean and easy. Now, I'm gonna put these into a preheated 450-degree oven for about 10 minutes. Just that quickly, we're gonna have fine cornbread. Now, I've got a pan that's ready to come out. So don't those look good? All right, now our cornbread has popped right out nicely because remember we greased it real good. Look at our cornbread. Look how moist and beautiful that is. A little butter, even though it's way moist.